Okay, let's go.
Hey y'all. Well, look what I'm wearing. Look what I'm wearing. Yeah, y'all recognize that? I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna show y'all what I have done. Went to the feed store again, and then went thrifting, found some stuff. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I go and empty the feed bags and help my mother-in-law as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Y'all, I said I was going to do a little video of my feed store that I come. Look how cute they have it all decorated. This is in Morris, Oklahoma. This is where I get my feed. I asked them for permission to, you know, they got it all set up. Everything has its price on them, so I love that. I love that everything has its price. Ladies here and the guys here are all very friendly. So this is just the horse and your pets. They got little seed department here. Got the candy wall. There's Marissa getting candy, of course. They got a little bit of dog food in here, but you know, when you check out, you go to the other side and they load it for you. But look how cute this setup is, y'all. It's pretty big. All your needs are here. Look, there's Lisa. Oh, they got everything. Plumbing, electric. Look at that hard worker over there. Paint supplies. All kinds of stuff. So, y'all come give them some business. Morris, Oklahoma. The feed store. I'll tell them, I'll ask them to, you know, tell their stuff. They got stuff on the outside. They have other buildings as well. Hold on, put you on pause. Okay, they were a little shy, camera shy. So I got their card, and I'll put their card inside there. Excuse us, sorry. They got air conditioners. They got all kinds of, I don't know, trim. Hold on. They got little vehicles. All kinds of stuff. But that is full up with, that building over there is full up with doors and plumbing stuff, tubs. They got racks. So, bulk feed. See? Bulk feed right there. But Morris Feed and Farm Supply is what this is called. So here we go. I'm gonna go show the door. There's the information, y'all. Right there. That's their hours. That's the store number. Morris Feed and Farm Supply. Come check them out, y'all. They're not bad on prices. There's all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to go and pick up my feed, get that in the truck, and then they got this stuff out here. Fencing and all kinds of stuff. So they got a lot of stuff out here at this feed store. So come check them out. Tell them Leonard Mountain Homestead sent y'all. And Have a good day, y'all. Bye. Hi, Marissa. Found me a new little rocking chair. You want to hold the phone and record while I take this off? I was the one driving the tractor. Alright, it's recording, so. Look, we're going to watch her do this. Watch her struggle. Trying to put this thing back on Meemaw's truck. I'm going to leave it right here for right now. Man. And then I'm going to get back on the tractor and take this feed back over there. Thanks. Sorry, y'all, if I was shaking y'all up. I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to take the feed down to the barrels because it looks like it's going to rain out there. So I got to get this feed in the barrels. So I'm going to take y'all along.
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear. With every breath I take, I'm grateful you are near. Thank you for the laughter, thank you for the tears, thank you for the moments that we hold dear. And thank you for the love, thank you for the light. I'm grateful every day, you make my world so bright. The world can be a crazy place with valleys and with peaks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we
Move
take,
some
our
buckets.
love will find its place. Thank you for the love, thank you for the light. I'm grateful every day, you make my world so bright. The world can be a crazy place with valleys and with peaks, but you bring joy into my life, turn frowns into cheeks. Through all the ups and downs, you've been my saving grace. With every step we take, our love will find its place.
Alright, now I gotta get the feed inside the barrels. I'll bring y'all back in just a minute. So, I just filled this up. This is the pig feed. This is probably about the fullest I've had it before, but the pigs are growing, and I'm going to mix it up a little more because Christopher wasn't here, and usually we, do half and half and mix it really good and stuff, but Christopher wasn't here, so I did the best I could. Got that filled up. Couldn't put the bucket in there but dog's food's good. As you can see, that's the fullest it's been. It's got some scratch in here that I put in there. Probably buy another bag. Got the chicken feed in here, but they're all eating right now. I gave them a little more, so I wouldn't have been able to fill that or close that thing if I hadn't got them fed. But I need to move these, get them all put in the trash and stuff, because we hadn't done that. So now it's to the point where we have to put all those feed bags inside the trash. But there we go. Big Red is eating. He always inspects me when I'm over here to make sure that I'm doing a great job. He's kind of confused because it's just me today and it's not Christopher. So, but there he is. He's king of his castle again. We already filled the water over there. They've already been fed today. But I gave the pigs a little extra this morning because, just a while ago, besides what I fed them this morning, because I wouldn't have been able to close the lid. I couldn't even fit the bucket in there. So I'm going to take the tractor back over and park it. Yeah, I drove the tractor. There's Janko. She's out here messing with the chickens and stuff. Why I did what I was needing to do. Need to get in here with my weed eater and get some weed eating done. But I'm going to hop up here and get the tractor parked. I'll be back. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sitting in my little rocker. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Hold on, look. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Right there. And it rocks. It's so cute. It's so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to peel the paint off of it, redo it, and get it to the color that I want. There was, the guy that I got it from said that it was a set, but somebody else got the bigger one. They didn't want the little rocker. So I got it. I can sit there and rock. You know, I may put it on the porch. We'll see. Now, if I would have seen the bigger one before that other person got it, It wasn't there when I went, but if I would have seen it before that other person, I would have got the bigger one and left this one. I don't know. I probably would have bought the set. Who knows? So, like I said, I hope you enjoy this video. Love you guys. Appreciate every single one of you. Y'all stay wonderful. Do all the YouTube things. You know, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, because I love the comments. I love the comments. I love the comments. Thank you to everybody who, you know, messaged me, sent me text messages, emails, voicemails. I absolutely love it. And I know, Jan, I have not showed you the chicken that you're going to be. I haven't showed Jennifer which chicken she's going to be, but I've been really busy. But I have 2 chickens that's going to be named after Jan and Jennifer from Jennifer Ocean Homestead. And I'm also going to name one of the turkeys Troy. So you'll have to see. It's coming. It's coming. Again, y'all, I appreciate Mickey at Critter Creek for doing this wonderful shirt. On the back of it, me and Chris are on it. I think that's awesome. It's wonderful. Moses is on there too, so thank you, Mickey. You do a good job. Chris ordered me one, and I had to wear it around today. So, y'all go order y'all's. Our faces are on it. Come on now. Come on. Love you guys. Bye.